Hello, in this video we will talk about how to make a good audit checklist so that in-depth audit can be covered. The purpose of checklist is to ensure that we don't miss any point, and at the same time it should not become a very mechanical exercise. It's just we check check the points in the checklist and do not look at the real happenings which is we can observe, and we should not ignore. We should not be too much engrossed in the checklist. At the same time, checklists are useful because we don't miss anything if we have written in our checklist. So it has both advantages and disadvantages. However, a good trade-off is we can have a checklist and make it more like a active document rather than just a very hard wired document which cannot be changed at all. In a checklist, before making checklist, it is important that we should be knowing the processes. We should be knowing that which of the requirements of ISO can be covered in this checklist, and both these things should be known to the auditor. So first of all, a process study or a plant round or the review of documents is must, and then the checklist can be made. The checklist is made initially with the core area of that particular department, followed by the related areas, the interactions of that department with the other department. Suppose we take the example of say purchasing department. So first of all, we have to make the checklist in and around the clauses like 7.4.1, 7.4.2, 7.4.3, and these are the main clauses of purchasing activity. At the same time, we should not ignore that the purchasing department interacts with production, purchasing department interacts with marketing, purchasing department interact with service, purchasing department interact with maintenance and other departments. So all those interactions also should be audited. If we can make a checklist which gives us at least the bullet points or the points which we need to check, and simultaneously if we have space to write down our notes, our evidences against that point, we can make our audit report very easily. So if the checklist is such that it can be a part of audit report, it will be a great thing. If the checklist is made just for reference and then writing the audit report separately, that is also acceptable, but it is better like if we write against each point of the checklist whether we have checked that point or whether we have not, we have what kind of evidences, what kind of conformity, non-conformity, or what kind of trails are possible through that particular point. Thank you.